the honorable thing that if you are not happy with it, that you would actually, step aside and allow those who want to move on, and then take your agenda to the people, which is what happens in any normal, democracy.
Miario ya mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kiuria munini wake ndagitari William Ruto eyeherie thirikari-ini angikorwo ni anogete ni oyonanitie kwarama kwa mwatuka uria ukoretwo ho gatagati ka atongoria yeri. Mathaa manini thutha wa president kurekereria miario ya gukirira munini wake, Ruto ni acoketie na kuga gutiri kundu arathii na ndareyeheria.
You can't on the one hand say I'm not going, and because at the same time I don't agree. You've got to decide, because you must be principled in that endeavor.
Nimeamua ya kwamba sina nafasi ya kurudi nyuma na sina starehe ya kusarenda. Kenya hii mpaka tuibadilishe.
Ruto nurio kwaragia rigongona-ini ria mathiko riria rikwambite gutharario ni maabitha borithi kaunti-ini ya Taita Taveta, augite ndaragura guoya nginyagia ndereti ya guku bururi-ini cenjie na mukenya wa gikiro kia thi ona kia muriko.
I am asking them to understand that I am a person on a mission. I cannot retreat. I cannot surrender, because we have decided that we are going to change the economy and we are going to have a bottom-up economic experience in Kenya that is going to lift those who don't have jobs to have jobs.
Ruto arauga no mwaka andu mebundithie gukiraniriria kuria ningi onekete kunyururia mubango mugima wa BBI, guku akiuga korwo mihang'o ino ni irarekirwo ithie na mbere atire nganja bururi ni ungiracokirio na thutha na njira nene na oho ni ungirarikire irima-ini ria minyamariko.
Let us not lie to ourselves. Let us not lie to the people. BBI was dangerous for Kenya, and we thank God it failed.
Who have not lost anything. Just the feeling of sadness that we could actually, for political reasons, deny our own people something that would have not only improved their lives and livelihoods, but made Kenya that much more a cohesive society.
Hakuna haja ya fujo, hakuna haja ya vuruko, hakuna haja ya makasiriko. Sisi wote ni wa Kenya.
Ona kuri oguo abunge aria manyitaga mbaru mutongoria wa bururi marauga no mwaka Ruto atige kwaria na methia yeri ya kanwa na atige kwimathira ngumo ya kiuteti akihuthira tabarira cia thirikari ya Jubilee.
Atue itua kana ari thirikari-ini kana ari nja wa thirikari. Angĩkorwo ari thirikari-ini etikire kuruta wira rungu rwa munene wake. Angĩkorwo ndari thirikari-ini oime. This is a democratic country.
Mwananchi peke yake ndiye anaweza kuuliza wewe ujiuzuru, lakini sio mtu ambaye tumepea kazi venye tumekupea wewe.
Ndogamano gatagati ka mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta na munini wake William Ruto ironeka kwiyumiria muingi-ini ona makiria rita riri magikaniria miario hatari gwitigirana o riria Kenya matigitie thi wa mieri 12 marike githurano-ini kinene. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mũngari wa Kamau.